Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, July 28th, 2010. Today we had a total of 8 executable trade signals for a max potential of 10 ES ticks. This video is for educational purpose only. Is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed through our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, today was a day that was filled, we started off in a range trading environment, and in the range trading we actually employ a little different process in our trading room. We actually do some edge trading, but for consistency purposes, etc., this video is still going to show all of our normal trading plan setups as if you weren't in the room and you weren't able to take any of our instructions. So starting off, we opened up at 11:08 and started moving higher up and filled our half gap, filled our 4 o'clock target, our 4:15, and found a rejection off of our daily pivot. This is where in our room we potentially be looking to get short, but in our trading plan we actually have a setup that as it pulls back to the moving average line on a normal trending type day we'd get long. So I'm going to show this as a long entry. T0 minus 14, full stop out on that trade. On the reaction we came back up to that moving average, got a signal to get short, produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 6 ticks. As we moved on down towards the Globex low and the previous day's low, found some support there, bounced back up to the half gap area, found some resistance, did not get a trading signal there, came back off of that resistance of the half gap, pulled back, got a signal to get short. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 as we did some range expansion to the downside for 11 ticks. Came off of the 10:30 time frame there and started pushing higher into the 10:45 confirmation time. Back to our open, pulled down to our moving average, got a signal to get long, got our first contract off. Unfortunately, there was no follow through on that moving average bounce. Ended up getting stopped out of the second part of the contract there. Ended up with a T1 minus 2. And then on that subsequent move we actually got a signal to get short. Again, came within 1 tick of hitting our target, and we adjust our stop after entry, so we ended up getting stopped out on this move to the upside, just barely, just got hit our stop here before the market ultimately just pushed lower a little later on. But that we did get stopped out of that particular trade, and then we go into the lunchtime dead zone. That's between 11:30 and 1:15. We do not initiate any new trades. We just wait for lunch to get over. After 1:15 we start looking again. Sure enough, we had a setup. We got short on that opportunity. Again, came real close to getting our target hit within a tick or so. Ended up ultimately getting stopped out, T1 minus 2. Same thing to the upside. We had a cross to the upside. We got filled on our position, got our first contract out of there. Again, another T1 minus 2. But shortly thereafter we had the real nice swing, had a full setup, came back to our moving average, gave us a beautiful entry, T2 plus 15, and that ended up our day as we just managed that trade going after 3 o'clock. So all in all, it was a very active day, a lot of T1 minus 2 signals in there due to the rangy nature of the market, and that's what we expect on days like today, and that's why we have some other things that we employ in our trading room to help compensate for that. But still, you know, it's a green day. 8 trades for 10 ES ticks. Want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.